just getting started. Not enough room for two of us in there, so we got, I wonder how far that goes into the outside wall.
Hold the bag up for me.
It's open.
I can't reach it.
I'm sorry. Pulling staples time.
You got any more trash
All
bags?
these staples, yes, I have more trash bags. All right, buddy, so we got it cleaned out. This is your situation. I knew you had underbelly problems. Apparently, there used to be a septic tank that went this way. They made a new septic tank that ran out to the front of the house. And when they cut the underbelly, they never put it back. So since the day that that septic tank was done, the underbelly was never fixed or repaired. And they just pulled it down to run water pipes, this and that and the other. So that's the situation here. I'm going to pull the underbelly up the best I can here, but you need to get this thing re-insulated. The insulation was destroyed. So I wasn't expecting replacing insulation, but I had to take it out. It was just too nasty. And you've had animals up under here, so you might even think about in the future taking all of that underbelly out from underneath this house and re-putting new underbelly, because all of this has been excuse me, trampled down by animals. There's been a lot of animals under this house. My recommendation is removing your underbelly at some point and redoing it. Do you want me to run insulation? When we pick up flooring for a mobile home, this is all we ever use. This is it right here. If you want to pick up flooring and you don't want to have to replace your floor ever again, this is it right here.